Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Tech Zen. Today I got a camera slash travel bag review for you guys. Now this is the Wandrd Prvke 21 liter bag. I got the photography bundle, which comes with the photography camera cube and the extra straps that you see around here, waist straps, the ring ply that's tucked underneath here. But today I'm going to review this bag as a one bag travel. So what I mean by that is you carry some of your clothes and most of your gears with you. I plan on a few trips for this year to go out of country, and I travel quite a bit out of state too. So this top portion here is actually just a packing cube from Amazon. It's their basic medium-sized packing cube that I put most of my clothes in here. I was able to fit quite a bit in here, as you'll see in a bit here. And then I just kind of makeshift this rope here to hold the bottom so it doesn't slide out, and then these two straps comes with the bag if you buy the photography bundle, and it seems to be pretty secure, so it probably won't be sliding off or dropping anywhere if you're running through the airport catching taxis and stuff like that. So that's what I was looking for. I was really hoping that this would probably fit up here. It does fit up here, but it extends it to like pretty high. It looks kind of ridiculous, so I still have space in here to put other things if I need to, but as of now I think this is the best setup for what my type of travels. So let's go ahead and get into the stuff that you'll be able to pack in here. I want to show you how much you'll be able to pack in this bag. See if it's enough for you. There is also a 30 liter bag, but I'm a pretty small guy, so if I buy that 30 liter bag, it's gonna look weird on me. So if you're a pretty big, tall guy, then you know it's the 30 liter is probably good for you. But for me, the 21 is good enough for me. The other requirement that I had when buying this bag was that I had to be able to convert it to be a dag bag, you know, so that I can carry just my gears. And when I get to my hotel or wherever I'm going, I just toss this clothes portion or at my location, and then I just take off with the bag itself. So let's go ahead and look at the bag itself and how I managed to pack it up. So let's go ahead and undo the straps here, and then the rope that I kind of makeshift is attached to this buckle right here. So it goes through the buckle, and then that's it. My clothes section comes off. So we'll just put this aside for now and take a look at the clothes here, the closing cube here. So I was able to I could fit more in here. As you can see, it's not as tight yet. I could fit in a few more items in here. So one pants plus the one I'm wearing, and a pajama pants here, couple of socks here, shorts. So able to pack up three underwears here, and you know I got in here 3 t-shirts that I kind of stacked them up to roll up. So 3 t-shirts here. You could still fit probably a light sweater, or you know a towel, a thin towel. But this packing cube has been great for packing all my clothes stuff. So yeah, as you can see, it's not as packed, and you can pack more. Plus you got the top there to put other stuff in there. So yeah, 21 liter seems to be working fine for me. If you have a lot of stuff that you need to pack, maybe the 30 liter one. might work better for you, but you gotta consider, you know, how does it look on you when you're wearing your backpack. For me, I just don't like big backpacks that makes me look weird. So that's the closing cube. Just throw that down there, and then we'll go through the backpack itself. Alright, so right on top here there is a big compartment that I like to store most of my flat stuff. So I got my camera straps here, Peak Design camera strap that I put on when I'm using my camera. You know, camera battery charger, a portable light source, game controller for my phone, portable battery, yeah, double and triple A battery charger here, some more props for my drone, and that's it for this. As you can see here, you got your water bottle, pocket, or tripod. So I like to carry a small tripod here with me. On the other side here, you got your camera pouch here. I'm recording on my Fuji X-T2 right now, so that's why it's not in here. And as you can see, all these like straps are hanging there. This is a compression strap that you can compress the bag even more. The belt, hip or waist belt here, and then these two, you can position it any way you want. There's like loops and stuff around the bag, and that was one of the requirements that I was looking for when I was looking for a bag here. There's a lot of loops and stuff that you can attach external stuff to. Tripod can go out here. You can even attach a tripod here, a longer one. I have a Wandrd long one that sometimes I strap onto here. But these hoops has been amazing. So definitely, if you're looking for a bag, try to find something with hoops, or they call it tactical straps that, you know, you can hook things onto. Alright then, so let's go into the top of the bag here. So at the top there is a buckle type closer here that you can just kind of undo. Sometimes they get caught because there's like a fish hook on there, but so that's the buckle that secures the top portion there. Undo that, and then there's Velcros that holds it together too, so that's pretty nice. And we'll go through what's in this portion. So as you can see, it opens up quite big, and you have quite a lot extra space here. So I think it adds another like 5 or 6 liters if you undo this all the way. So first off is a mini tripod, this thing that goes with it. It's a camera or a cell phone. These are my filters, cord, charging cord, my tripod head, laptop charger, camera charger again. I got some extension tube if I want to do, you know, macro photography, drone charger, flash, and I think that's it in there. So yeah, that only took up a little bit of space, so you know, that's most of my equipment for my camera and my drone. So it's not that much space, so yeah, we'll put them back. So let's go into the laptop compartment. So this is the laptop compartment way on the back here. So as you can see, you got some space for your laptop. Just open it up. Opens up like this, clamshell style. What's also great about this system is when you're out in the field, you need to grab your other camera equipment. It lays on the front or of the backpack, so you don't get dirt on the back here. When you put it on your back, it messes up your shirt or your jacket and stuff. So that's what I also like about it. So what I have here is my 15-inch Dell laptop. It fits in here pretty tight, so yeah, pretty well. I mean, it's not too tight. And then over here is the main camera compartment that you can, you know, organize your camera gears. It comes with this extra little soft padding. So as you can see, I got my drone in there and my space for my camera. I'll just take it out quickly for you guys. 2 drone battery, drone controller, the drone itself. Here's the drone itself. This thing is, I think it's bigger than the DJI Mavic Pro drone, so, and it fits in here pretty well, so that's pretty good. Let's put that all back together. Alright, and then I have my portrait lens here, Fuji 56 1.2 right here, awesome lens. So it fits, yeah, it fits most of my gears I have right now. I don't think I'm gonna accumulate much more, maybe just an extra lens, a wide lens, then that should be good. I don't want to have too much gear. Alright, close it back up. Close it back up. And back here, there is a secret compartment that you can put, you know, passport, wallet. I like to put my SD cards in there. And then these waist straps are awesome when you have a lot of gear and your backpack weighs kind of heavy. So these waist straps distributes the weight onto your waist instead of all on your shoulder here. So if you're gonna be like shooting out all day, I recommend getting these waist straps. And that's pretty much the whole camera itself. There is a rain fly on the bottom here, and I think there is a small quick access pouch here or pocket here. I like to put my batteries and, you know, my keys in here. Just, you know, quick access stuff. Oh, and then one more compartment up here. I put the, you know the cleaning cloth and, you know, contact lens and stuff like that up there. But that's pretty much the bag itself. I've been really happy with it. I know it's a little bit expensive, but buy it once good, or you have to buy it, you know, 3-4 times to find the right bag. You know, so I just thought, you know, you got some expensive equipment, you need a good bag to carry it. And bags are kind of like tripods and lens. They last for a very long time, and if you invest in a good one, then it's a good investment, and it'll last for a very long time if you take care of it. Maybe, you know, a long time, 10 plus years. So spend a little bit of more money on something that's really good, and just keep it. Don't have to keep searching for new bags, spending more money. So yeah, I definitely really like this bag. There is just one minor thing that I did not feel that it was well built. It was these zippers. So here is the issue that I found with this bag. Now, as you can see, the zipper does not go all the way around the corner here. So when you open the bag, it puts a lot of pressure on the teeth of this zipper, and I'm afraid that one day, you know, when you're in a hurry, you don't have the time to make sure that you don't have the time to slow down and, you know, carefully take out your camera and stuff, your laptop. When you're in a hurry, you're just gonna zip up and then this. So as you can see, a lot of pressures are on there, and one of these days I am afraid that the teeth are completely gonna rip out, and then that's gonna ruin the bag here. So hopefully it doesn't happen, but I'm gonna try to be careful and take care of this bag as it is very expensive. So you gotta be careful about that. Otherwise, everything else has been really good. It is super comfortable on me. Lots of padding and air channel to go through. I haven't tested this in the summer yet, but I will be. It's spring. It's starting to spring right now, so we'll see how sweaty my back gets with this design here. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoy this review, and it gives you, you know, some sort of like information to help make your decision on buying, you know, a bag. Thanks for dropping by, and hit the like and subscribe button if you find this information useful. Take care and see you next time.